Well, I had a lot of problems with my teeth and gums because I didn't have uh, pediatric care when I was, a child. So and then didn't start going to the dentist till I was probably about 25, and had to have a lot of root canals, and eventually, had to have some implants because the roots were exposed, and Dr. Felt's done a lot of those implants, and took care of my gums, done gum surgery on the upper and lower. And of course, we knew all the options. Was to do some implants and maybe have a bridge type or a full denture, or do the implants with the permanent type denture. I just feel like he's very professional, very courteous, kind, explains everything, and he can be trusted to, get the job done.